Good morning, students. How are you? Today, this lecture is of mathematics, class plus 1, chapter number 3, related to trigonometric functions. In previous lecture, I already told you how can sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x and cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Already discussed in previous lecture. So some more identities given like this: cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. 99% students know about this identity, but how can this? That's a problem for many students. I can solve one identity, I can tell how can this equal to this one identity. Remaining you can solve if you need, otherwise learn these. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here is x, here is x dash, y dash. You can take what you can take, a unit circle meaning a circle having radius 1 unit, understood, and taking this angle this x, and we are saying the coordinate of this point minus AB. You have to find out later on the value of A and B, understood, and name of this point is P1. Another taking where this is P2. What are its coordinates according to this? Minus A minus B. This is equal to what? Y. Yes or no? This given, this point name is P3. Its coordinate also you know, but later on you have to find out and take one more point here. This, join this. This is P4. Join these. Understood? And this angle, which angle? This angle is equal to y. Negative sign only showing its direction. Magnitude of y and minus y remain same. Negative direction of x-axis saying like this. So what you can say about, now you have to find out the coordinate of this point. Coordinate of this point. So what you can take? A triangle. So you have to take this. You have to take, this is what? X. Again you can take like this. This angle is how much? 180 degree minus x. We are taking till here. We have to find out the coordinate of this point. So we have to find out this and this. This is what? X coordinate, which is we are saying minus A. And what is this? This is y coordinate. We are saying B here. So you can say here like this. Here is your, what you can say, 0 0. This is 0 0. This is minus a 0, and this is what, minus a b. Yes, you have to find out beta. So this angle is 90 degree. What you can say, this is what, minus a, this is b, and this is 1 unit. Circle is how much? 1 unit. So what you can say, this is what, this is a, its direction showing only minus. So the angle is this, opposite this perpendicular, this is base. So a by 1 is equal to what? Cos of 180 minus x. Understood? A is equal to what? Minus cos of x. You know this is equal to what? Because, so minus a is equal to what? Cos of x. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Similarly, b by 1 is equal to sine of 180 degree minus x. So b is equal to what? Sine of x. So its coordinate I am saying cos of x, sine of x. Similarly, you can find out coordinate of this point. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. What are these? Cos of x plus y. Here angle this x and this y. And this is sine of x plus y. Try to find out with the help of this. This point P3, angle is this with the x-axis. So this is what's coming? Cos of minus y, sine of minus y. And you know coordinate of this point. What are? 1 and 0. Understood this? Till here understood? So two triangle we can take. This is a name O. Two triangle you can take. Triangle P1OP3. P1OP3. This triangle, and triangle P2OP4. Understood? And triangle P2OP4. You know P1O equal to P2O, radius of the circle. Radius of the what? Circle. OP3 is equal to OP4. Again what? Radius of the circle. Same region. Now angle, which angle? P1OP3 is equal to angle what? P2OP4. Why? So this you can say, this you can write like this. Angle P1OP2 plus angle P2OP3 is equal to what? Angle, which angle? P4OP3 plus angle P3OP2. this is equal to y degree, this is equal to y. Angle P2 OP3, this is also y, but direction opposite to it, but magnitude remains same, is equal to angle P3 OP2, these also equal. Therefore easily you can say angle P1 OP3 is equal to angle P2 OP4. Therefore by which criteria of congruency SAS triangle, which triangle P1 OP3 is congruent to triangle which P2 OP4. So what's its meaning? By the congruency rule we can say if triangle are congruent, its meaning P1 P3 is equal to P2 P4. Yes, and after this you can apply which formula? Distance formula. So first we are finding out P1 P3 by distance formula. After this use distance formula and put them together. So what are the coordinates of, you know, this is cos x. Cos x is the coordinate minus P3. P3 is what? P3 is this, its x coordinate is what? Minus cos of minus y. Its whole square plus what's the coordinate of P1 at y? Y coordinate is sin x. So this coming sin of x minus y. P3 coordinates what's coming? Y. This coming. So solve it. P1 P3 square is equal to what? What's coming? Cos square x. Or this you can write one more formula, you can write, you know, cos of x minus cos of y whole square plus what you can write? Sin of x plus sin of y whole square. Region is this, sin of minus x is equal to what? Minus sin x, or not? Cos of minus x is equal to cos x, this region. So what's become? This become a square plus b square minus 2ab plus sin square x sin square y to sin x sin y. This plus this 1, this plus this 1, it's meaning 2 minus what's coming? 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y. 2 take common, 2 take here, this 2 take common, cos of x cos of y minus sin of x sin of y. Leave it here, this is your first. Similarly find out P2 P4 whole square. So this also like this. What's the x? What's the coordinate of x here? P4 1. So 1 minus P4 P2. P2 is this cos x plus y minus cos x plus y, its square. What are the y coordinate of P4? 0. What are the y coordinate of P2? Sine of x plus y whole square. Whole square. If you can solve this, what's it become? This become 1 plus cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x plus y, and this become sine square x plus y. Again this and this, what? 2 and 1 plus 1 2, this and this, because sine theta square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right or wrong? Minus 2 cos x plus y. This is your second. So put value, both are equal. As we know, P1 P3 equal to P2 P4. So P1 P3 square is equal to P2 P4 square, definitely. So therefore 2 minus 2 cos of x cos of y sine of x sine of y is equal to 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. So what you can do in next step, in simple way I want to tell, subtract 2 from both sides. So this become, after subtracting 2 cos of x cos of y sine of x sine of y is equal to minus 2 cos of x plus y. Now divide by what? Minus 2. Then what's coming? Or cancel out this. So this become cos x cos y sin x sin y is equal to cos of x plus y. Therefore cos of x plus y is equal to cos of x cos of y sin of x sin of y. This is not important for exam point of view, but for your knowledge this must need. This is a base of this math. So you can try to solve it. Remaining identities also solve like this. At least solve this identity by applying the same rule. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. How can? Write all these identities in your fair notebook. All are important, and try to prove not only this remaining identity, also by this, by taking a unit circle and applying all these. Then easily you remember these. So thank you all of you.